Hello everyone. Today we are going to do class 5th maths chapter number 2, that is number work problem set number 4. So in today's video we are going to learn how to read and write 7-digit numbers. Okay, in the previous video we had learned how to read and write 6-digit number. In the same pattern we have to read and write 7-digit numbers as well. Okay, so this is going to be your unit: tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Got it, children? In this pattern you all have to write it first so that when you write it in words it doesn't get wrong. So 25 lakh, 25 lakh, 70, 9,000. Okay, so this is 79,000. Then 800, 800 and 99 and 99. So you just saw how easy it becomes to write the numbers in words when we write the following units above the numbers. Got it? Let's move to the next number now. Unit: tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Okay, so this is going to be 30 lakh. So let's write 30 lakh, 70,000. Now you all have to see the commas also. These also adds to the meaning, children. Okay, these commas are not just for putting, we have not put it just for time pass. Okay, it is because it contains some meaning to it. It adds to the meaning. That is why we have to add these commas also. After lakhs there is a comma, after thousand there is a comma. Okay, so 30 lakh, 70,000. Got it? So this 2 is going to be a pair. After that there is a comma. Got it? Understood why we have to write a comma? So 70,000, 500, 500 and 6. Because there is no value for the tens. It is 0 and 6. Now, the third one in the same pattern: unit, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Okay, so 45,000. Then we have put a comma over here. So 45 lakh, not thousand, 45 lakh, 71,000. Okay, so 71,500, 500. There is no unit at the tens place. It is 0, so you have to leave it. And 4. Got it? Now next number: unit, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. So 21 lakh, 21 lakh. Now in 10,000 place the unit is 0, but in thousands place there is 9. So you all have to only write 9,000. Got it, children? Why we have taken only 9,000? Because there is no unit at the 10,000s place. Then 900, 900 and there is no numbers over here, no units over here, 0 is there, so we don't have to write over here. So 21 lakh 9,900. Got it? Now, the next number is unit, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. So 43 lakh. Okay, 0 is there, so no need to write 0. We have to just count 7. So 7,000. 7,000. 800. 854. 54. Isn't it easy? Now, over here there are no numbers, but still we will write it so that you will understand what we have to actually take. Okay, so now we are doing 7-digit number. That is why you all know it is in lakhs. But in case if you all forget it, so how are you going to do it? Write the units very easily. You will come to know that this is 50 lakh. So only 50 lakhs. Alright. Now next, same kind of a sum, but over here unit and tens place is having numbers. So this is 60 lakh. 60 lakh, no numbers, and 10. Okay, so and 10. Isn't it easy? Same kind of a sum. Unit, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Alright. So 70 lakh. No numbers, but in the hundreds place there is 1. Okay, so 70 lakh and 100. Got it? Now, unit, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 80 lakh. Alright, 1,000. Okay, so 80 lakh, 1,000, or you all can write 80 lakh and 1,000 also. Both the ways it's correct. Next, unit, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Okay, so this is going to be 90 lakh, 90 lakh and 10, because this is 2-digit number. Okay, so 10,000. Got it? I hope this is getting clear with the sums, because see they have just shifted 1 over here so that you all will understand the main meaning. See, now the 1 is in the lakhs place. So this is lakh and this is 10 lakh. Directly I am writing it because we all know what's are the unit over here. Okay, so this is going to be 91 lakh. Got it? Now, how to write this number, because this looks very tricky. Okay, so at times this sum is almost in every exam the teacher tries to put this question. Okay, so it is very easy. 99 lakh, because all the numbers are 9, so don't get confused. 99 lakh. Go with the commas. Okay, as I said, it has some meaning, so don't forget about it. 99 lakh, 99,000, isn't it? 99,900, 900 and 99 and 99. Wasn't it easy? And I'm sure teacher is going to put this sum in the question paper. Okay, so practice this sum. It is very easy. Now, Same thing we have to do over here. This question is given below are the deposit made in the women's cooperative credit societies of some district. Okay, so these are some district that they have given, and this is the amount of rupees that they have saved or deposited. Okay, so in the same way, don't forget you all have to write the units. This makes your sum easy to read it. 94 lakh. 94 lakh 29,000. 29,000. 400. 400. There is no number at the tens place, so directly and 8. Got it? Now next, unit tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. 61 lakh 7,000 100 and 87. Got it? $46 lakh 53 53,500 and 70 and 70. $45 lakh 43,000 100 and 59. Easy. Now last 2-3 sums, same pattern. Now I will not write the units, directly I am writing it. I hope you all will be able to read it in the way I am doing it now. 37 lakh 1,200 and 82. Isn't it easy to write now? Without the units also it becomes very easy once you all practice it. Okay, but be careful about the numbers. 27 lakh. So go comma wise. 27 lakh 72,000 300 and 48. Easy. Same pattern. 58 lakh 58 lakh 49,600 and 51. Isn't it easy? I hope this exercise is clear to everyone. If there is any queries, please let me know in the comment section, children. I would love to help. I would love to hear from you. So don't miss out to mention in the comment section whether you like the video or no. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.